Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Babyletto Modo Crib, one of the most popular cribs on the market right now. If you're a new parent, you're going to want to stick around because this crib has some amazing features that will make your life so much easier. Before we dive into the specifics of the Babyletto Modo Crib, let's talk a little bit about the company. Babyletto is a brand that is dedicated to creating safe, sustainable, and stylish baby products. They understand that as a new parent, you want the best for your baby, and that's exactly what they provide. Now, let's talk about the features of the Babyletto Modo Crib. First and foremost, this crib is incredibly safe. It's made with non-toxic materials, so you don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals being near your baby. It's also GRENGUARD Gold certified, which means that it has been tested for over 10,000 chemicals and found to be free from harmful levels of pollutants and emissions. Another great feature of this crib is its versatility. It can be converted into a toddler bed and a daybed, which means that you can use it for years to come. This not only saves you money in the long run, but it also reduces waste. The Babyletto Modo Crib is also incredibly stylish. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can choose the one that best fits your nursery decor. It has clean lines and a modern design that will make your nursery look amazing. Assembly. Now, let's talk about assembly. As a new parent, you're probably dreading the thought of assembling furniture, but the good news is that the Babyletto Modo Crib is actually quite easy to put together. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and all of the hardware is included. Accessories and maintenance. Before we wrap up this review, let's talk about some of the accessories and maintenance tips that come with the Babyletto Modo Crib. First, there's a matching changing table and dresser available, which can help you complete your nursery set. When it comes to maintenance, the crib is very easy to clean. You can wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or grime. The mattress support can be adjusted to 3 different positions, which makes it easier to reach your baby and change the sheets. Customer reviews. Now, let's take a look at what some customers are saying about the Babyletto Modo Crib. One customer mentioned that they were impressed with how sturdy and well-made the crib is, especially considering the price point. Another customer appreciated the fact that it's easy to convert into a toddler bed, which saved them the hassle of buying a new bed later on. Babyletto Modo Crib is receiving rave reviews from parents all around the world. It's a safe, stylish, and versatile crib that will provide your baby with a comfortable and secure sleeping environment for years to come. Tips for choosing a crib. Now that we've covered the Babyletto Modo Crib in detail, let's talk about some general tips for choosing a crib. First, safety should be your top priority. Look for a crib that is certified by safety organizations like ASTM International and Juvenile Products Manufacturers Association, JPMA. Second, consider the crib's versatility. Many cribs can be converted into toddler beds, daybeds, or even full-sized beds, which can save you money in the long run. Third, think about the style and design of the crib. You'll want to choose something that fits in with the rest of your nursery decor and that you'll enjoy looking at for years to come. Fourth, consider the size and shape of the crib. Make sure it fits in your nursery and that it's easy to move around if needed. Finally, check the crib's reviews and ratings before making a purchase. Conclusion. In conclusion, choosing the right crib for your baby can be overwhelming, but with a little research and consideration, you can find the perfect one. The Babyletto Modo Crib is an excellent option for anyone looking for a safe, versatile, and stylish crib. We hope this review has been helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.